Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Microlinks is probably one of the most versatile hair extensions on the market, offering a seamless blend with your natural hair. They're a fantastic option for anyone looking to add length, volume, or even just experiment with a new style without a long-term commitment. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Microlinks, exploring everything from the installation process to maintenance tips, helping you decide if they're the right choice for you. Number 5. 5mm hair extension beads with silicone lining. These silicone-lined micro rings are designed for secure hair extension installation. They prevent slippage and provide a strong hold, ensuring your extensions stay in place. Made from high-quality materials, these beads are safe for your hair. The silicone lining adds an extra layer of protection, minimizing damage and maximizing comfort. The soft silicone lining allows for comfortable wear. Once installed, these micro rings are virtually undetectable, providing a seamless and natural look. These beads hold human hair very tightly after being pinched. You can trust that the extensions will not easily slide, giving you peace of mind. With 2,500 pieces available in 5 colors, you have plenty of options. This allows you to match the beads to your hair for a perfect blend. What we like? These silicone-lined micro rings are designed for maximum comfort and an undetectable finish. With multiple colors available, it's easy to find the perfect match for your hair. If you're looking for a comfortable and versatile solution for your Microlink extensions, you should definitely consider these. What people say. Well made. Works great. Holds up in the hair for 8 weeks. These beads are the perfect size and super easy to use. The silicone grips the hair really well for a secure, long-lasting hold. Great quality. The size of the beads are great, and it's super important to get beads that have silicone to prevent breakage, and these beads have that. Number 4. Ugeat 24-inch Microlink hair extensions. These extensions use unidirectional cuticle technology, ensuring a silky and tangle-free experience. You can curl or straighten them for a perfect salon finish. The cold fusion method is used, meaning no glue, heat, or chemicals are needed. This gentle process protects your natural hair from any damage. These extensions are designed for single-strand installation, ensuring even distribution and a natural feel. You'll enjoy a lightweight feel without any heavy burden. The extensions feature silicone-lined rings, providing a secure and long-lasting hold. The inner grip prevents slippage and cushions your hair. Available in solid ombre or balayage styles, these extensions use advanced dyeing techniques for vibrant shades. You can dye them from light to dark, but bleaching is not recommended. These extensions use tiny, color-matched beads that lay flat against your head. This provides a seamless blend, making them feel as natural as your own hair. What we like? These extensions use cold fusion technology, which means no heat or glue is needed, protecting your natural hair. The lightweight design ensures a comfortable feel all day long. If you want a natural look without damaging your hair, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They are a true platinum color with no shades of pink or gray. The hair volume per strand is consistent, which seems to be a rare thing these days, and I very much appreciate. They are true in weight, which I know because I actually weighed them. Number 3. Doors Microlink Remy hair extensions, 18 Balayage. These Microlink hair extensions are made with healthy, virgin human hair from a single donor. This ensures rich nutrients and intact cuticles, preventing tangling and frizz. Its lifespan is twice that of other hair extensions. The cold fusion method means no heat or glue is needed for application, minimizing hair damage. The extensions are easy to apply and remove. The beads are designed to match the hair color for a seamless, invisible look. Available in lengths from 14 to 24 inches, with 50 grams per pack. Remember, shorter lengths appear thicker than longer ones with the same weight. If you have long hair and desire a fuller effect, consider ordering 2 or more packs. Human hair extensions can be colored and styled, but they don't receive nutrients like your natural hair. Avoid excessive coloring or perming. Regular use of conditioner and hair oil is essential for maintaining the hair's health and appearance. Please note that color variations may occur due to different monitor settings and lighting. This is normal. If you need assistance with color selection, we offer a color matching service to help you find the perfect match. What we like? These extensions are made with virgin human hair, ensuring rich nutrients and intact cuticles for a natural look. The cold fusion installation minimizes hair damage and provides an invisible wearing effect. If you are looking for extensions that are gentle on your hair and provide a seamless blend, you should choose this one. What people say. The microlinks are easy to install. The hair is soft and blends well with my natural hair. The quality of the hair is great. Number 2. Sunny Hair 22-inch Microbeaded Weft Hair Extensions. These sunny hair extensions are crafted from certified Remy human hair. The strands are incredibly soft and smooth, just like your natural hair. You'll love how they feel. Forget about glue, heat, or harsh chemicals. These microbeaded weft extensions use silicone-lined microbeads for secure attachment. It's easy to apply and remove without damaging your hair. Available in various lengths, you can cut these extensions to your desired length. This gives you the freedom to create unique hairstyles at a lower cost. A full head look usually requires 2 to 3 packs. The extensions come in classic shades that complement all skin tones. The natural gradient texture mimics dyed hair, effortlessly enhancing your look. It pairs perfectly with any makeup style. These microbeaded weft hair extensions are reusable, extending their lifespan. With proper care, there's no need for frequent replacements, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term use. You can safely use hot styling tools at temperatures up to 219 degrees Celsius. This allows you to create straight, curly, or any other hairstyle you desire. They are perfect for daily life, dates, or work. What we like. These extensions are crafted from certified Remy human hair, ensuring softness and smoothness. The glue-free microbeads and DIY styling freedom allow you to create exclusive hairstyles at a low cost. If you like to change your hairstyle frequently and want a cost-effective solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The microlinks are easy to install. The hair is soft and blends well with my natural hair. The hair is very easy to manage. Number 1. Duufin Hair Extensions Kit. This kit includes everything you need for hair extensions. It comes with micro ring beads, pliers, needles, clips, a comb, and hair elastics. It's a comprehensive set for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The kit features a metal plier with a curved head and a comfortable plastic handle. The hook needle pulling loop has a wooden handle, making it easy to grip. These tools are designed to make the hair extension process easier. The kit includes 500 brown silicone-lined micro beads. They are stored in a clear plastic bottle. These beads are perfect for brown or similar colored hair extensions, providing a seamless blend. This kit is perfect for extending hair or adding feather accessories. Whether you're a professional stylist or doing it yourself at home, it offers the tools needed for various hair extension techniques. Please keep this hair extension kit away from children due to the sharp hook. The alligator clips come in random colors due to manual packing, so please understand. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for microlink extensions, making the application process easy. The tools are designed for ease of use, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you are a beginner or want to do it yourself at home, this kit is your best choice. What people say. The microlinks are easy to use and install. The hair extensions blend seamlessly with natural hair. The hair is soft and manageable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.